Looking for fully hydraulic log handling at the lowest possible price? The Wood-Mizer LT35 hydraulic is the first step towards sawing logs into lumber with minimal manual labor. The LT35 hydraulic is ideal for anyone who wants to produce their own lumber with minimal operator effort. Fully portable, this mill is easily towed right to your waiting logs. The LT35 saws logs up to 32 inches in diameter and 21 feet long. All log handling functions are hydraulically driven and are controlled from a central station at the front of the mill. The loading arms easily lift heavy logs onto the cutting bed. The strong log clamp and 2 hydraulic side supports keep logs firmly in place during sawing. The heavy-duty steel claw turner rotates your logs and cants into place. 2 roller toe boards allow you to level up tapered logs. To begin sawing, the blade and blade lubrication are engaged manually. The operator controls move with the head, allowing you to keep a close eye on your cut. With the Simple Set computerized set works at your fingertips, you can program 2 exact board thicknesses. And Simple Set will automatically move the head into position for your next cut, helping you produce lumber more quickly and accurately. Nothing is truer than running your equipment side by side with the competition and letting the results speak for themselves. The LT35 recently competed at the Great Portable Sawmill Shootout and had the 3rd highest production numbers and the best lumber recovery out of 11 competing sawmills. When it was all said and done, the LT35, together with the Wood-Mizer single blade edger, sawed at the rate of 920 board foot per hour. Further enhance your sawing experience with these available options. Expand your production capabilities with the lathe miser attachment, the shingle lapsider attachment, and even turn your sawmill into a resaw. Saw up to 45-foot logs and beams by adding bed extensions onto your mill. One of the major features that sets the LT35 apart is the open-sided sawing head and easy off-bearing bed shape. The open side allows you to tackle odd-shaped logs and improves your overall visibility while sawing. Wood-Mizer's exclusive sawyer-friendly bed shape allows you to pull boards off the mill and make blade changes without reaching over a second rail and straining your lower back. The LT35 comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 2-year sawmill warranty, and a 5-year chassis warranty, the strongest warranty in the industry. You can pick up your new sawmill and receive free full training on mill setup and operation at any of our 20 coast-to-coast sales and service locations. After you join our family of owners, you can talk to an experienced technician 6 days a week, visit a location to receive sawmill service, and take advantage of our affordable annual service loops that bring a service tech right to your door. Overnight delivery on parts and blades is available, and 95% of orders are shipped the same day. You won't get more complete after-sales support anywhere else. If you're looking for an affordable, fully hydraulic sawmill backed by Wood-Mizer's legendary quality and support, then the LT35 hydraulic is your answer.